In Anshi, Hubei, a pickup truck left its designated route and drove off a bridge, stressing the need to follow proper roadways. The Wuling electric car was driven without a valid license and ignored traffic signs, making the driver primarily at fault. The container truck appears to be stuck, with the driver trying to free it, highlighting the importance of regular vehicle maintenance. A fatigued truck driver hit a guardrail and dragged a section along the road, resulting in a fine. This underscores the dangers of driving while tired. A heated argument in a stalled white car led to a loss of control and a crash into a guardrail, illustrating the risks of distracted driving. Even an 800-horsepower bulldozer couldn't stop a truck from sliding downhill, showing the challenges of controlling vehicles in adverse conditions. A truck reversing in an inner lane collided with a steel coil truck. Fortunately, the driver was unharmed. This incident stresses the need for caution during maneuvers. On the Beijing-Taiwan Expressway, a white SUV frequently switched lanes and nearly crossed solid lines, triggering a multi-car accident. This emphasizes the importance of lane discipline. It appears that the tire technician failed to secure the bolts properly, reminding us to perform thorough inspections. Overconfidence led the white SUV driver to take unnecessary risks, underscoring the value of cautious driving. An object with unusually long teeth raises questions about its design and proper maintenance. The striking water splashes remind us of nature's powerful influence on our surroundings. A three-wheeler rolled toward an electric scooter, tipping it over and spinning slowly. A sedan reversed to avoid a collision until a bystander intervened. This incident teaches careful operation and community awareness. Surveillance footage showed a truck ready to unload cargo, but a delayed check led to an unexpected bucket tilt and a topple, highlighting the need for proper equipment checks. A tire blowout produced a loud, startling noise when the truck hit a ditch, emphasizing the importance of regular tire maintenance. The submarine truck maneuvers through traffic with remarkable agility, showcasing advancements in vehicle design and safety. A truck narrowly escaped a flash flood by quickly evacuating, demonstrating the importance of prompt action during emergencies. concrete mixer slid backward on an incline and nearly tipped over, stressing the need for cautious operation on slopes. The driver in red was fortunate to receive assistance in stopping his runaway truck, highlighting the value of prompt help in emergencies. The red truck braked just in time, preventing further damage and illustrating effective hazard management. To avoid an oncoming reckless truck, a blue truck swerved and collided with a neighboring vehicle's cargo container, showing the risks of abrupt maneuvers. A truck driving near a steep cliff teetered dangerously but avoided a fall, emphasizing careful navigation on hazardous roads. A loose tire on the road reinforces the need for regular vehicle inspections to prevent dangerous situations. Parking in a large rig's blind spot creates hazards, reminding drivers to choose safe parking spots. A house's protruding second-floor extension interfered with an excavator, highlighting the need for proper urban planning and building codes. Four trucks and one car collided in a bumper car-style accident, and although everyone was unharmed, the incident stresses the importance of safe following distances. Under crane operation, a green truck briefly jumped over a railing, illustrating the risks involved in heavy vehicle handling. An unstable brick wall collapsed as predicted, emphasizing the need for regular structural inspections and maintenance. A car's impatience to let another vehicle pass led to a risky maneuver, underscoring the value of patience on the road. A light collision between two mini-cars serves as a reminder that even minor accidents need careful attention. A truck carrying steel bars struggled on a steep hill until a wheel loader cleared the path and towed it, showing the importance of coordinated safety measures. In a similar incident, a wheel loader assisted a truck on a steep incline, reinforcing the value of proactive intervention. If a truck is tilted, raising its bed to unload dirt may trigger an uncontrolled release, highlighting the need for proper procedures. An unattended car required removal by its owner, emphasizing the importance of proper vehicle management. A ferry's failure to secure itself left a timber-loaded truck on an unstable ride, stressing the need for secure cargo practices. An incorrect steering maneuver caused a truck to skid, leading to heavy blocks falling, underscoring the importance of precise control. A truck driver ignored red signals at a railroad crossing, taking a dangerous risk that stresses strict adherence to safety rules. A motorcyclist skillfully maneuvered past a police car, blocking the road, demonstrating the value of agility and quick thinking. The crane truck operator, appearing inattentive, parked on the roadside without engaging the brakes, highlighting the need for constant alertness. A white car navigated through floodwaters with precision, almost like threading a needle, showcasing exceptional driving skills under pressure. When driving, we are responsible for our own safety and that of everyone on the road, an essential principle of responsible driving. Every action on the road matters. Even in frustrating situations, we must remain patient, respectful, and cautious, upholding the golden rule of driving. A loss of control in cargo handling was mitigated by an emergency maneuver using a nearby pole, demonstrating the benefits of built-in safety measures. A collision in a blind spot turned a corner into a chaotic accident zone, underscoring the importance of vigilance in such areas. A truck's hydraulic failure caused its rear container to detach, reminding us to regularly inspect and maintain critical systems. An excavator repeatedly nudged a car that veered into a ditch, illustrating the need for careful driving and timely corrections. An uneven dirt road caused a truck to tip over, highlighting the importance of cautious driving on irregular surfaces. A distracted three-wheeler lost much of its food cargo, reinforcing the need to remain focused while driving. A boulder far exceeded the lifting capacity of a truck's small crane, demonstrating the importance of matching equipment to the task.